Dear viewers, India is going through a tectonic shift as we are catching up with the fourth industrial revolution. And this time we are being supported by many companies. And I have with me a veteran product developer and engineer, Rakesh Gupta, director Chemtrols, which is into multiple manufacturing process industry. So we can have a freewheeling discussion to understand how this manufacturing trend is shaping up and shifting in India, and how his company Chemtrols is what called transforming and helping in India in this long journey. Sir, briefly tell about Chemtrols initiative, how it is positioned in India, and how you are helping in India's manufacturing journey.
Okay, good evening viewers. My name is Rakesh Gupta, and we Chemtrols started manufacturing in India in 1975. So today we are 48 years young, and we are into various fields, basically into process automation, and we support all type of process industries, whether it is fertilizer, it is petrochemicals, it is chemicals, it is cement, it is power, it is steel. Across the industry we do it. We are manufacturing plug valves, sleeve plug valves. We manufacture pressure reducing and desuperating valves. We manufacture desuperators. This is for the steam and water. We manufacture control valves for steam and water. And then we are also manufacturing rotameters. We are manufacturing displacer level transmitters, level instruments. So across we are manufacturing. Besides, we are also system integrators for process analytics. That means that is for air quality monitoring, or for emission monitoring, or for process control. So for that analytical system, we manufacture complete sample conditioning system, sample handling, and then we are also manufacturing metering systems for gas, custody transfer for gas, custody transfer for liquid. We diversified in 2007 for terminal automation system, where we are doing the depot automation for various refineries and the depots of HPCL, BPCL, MRPL, IOCL, and then these depots are for wagon loading as well as for truck loading. So across the sector we are a company of about 350 employees. And we have offices all over the country, service engineers all over the country. So we not only manufacture and supply, but we support the industry for running these instruments on a maintenance contract basis.
Very good. So the point is that in India, manufacturing is going through a digital disruption. So digital manufacturing, in the sense industry 3.0, and new transformations by digitizing. So how you are looking at the opportunity here? How your company is equipped to take on these kind of challenges, so that your hardwares and the solutions will gel with that kind of a journey of your clients?
Actually, honestly speaking, we are into hardcore into physical manufacturing. We are not into digital economy, or we are not into e-commerce, which is basically a digital economy. We are hardcore into of course we use the electronics, we use the internets to get the information, to spread the information. We have an SAP system for the accounting and managing the inventories, but we are not into digitizing the the company, digitizing the economy with e-commerce systems.
I asked specifically on industrial automation, industrial IoT.
No, we are not into IoT also. We are basically all whatever we supply, they are working with the communication port, but not into IoT.
So now coming back to this India Energy Week. So how do you find this as a platform to showcase your products and services?
No, it was a great place actually meant for us, because we are, what this India Energy Week is, we are into this segment very strongly. 70% of our turnover comes from this segment. So balance 30% comes from steel and cement or power, but 70% comes from this. So it was very important for us to meet all these clients and clients engineers and consulting companies to visit us.
So I think India is becoming the fourth largest energy consumer in the world.
Yes.
So going forward, because of massive industrialization and a lot of industries are shifting to India from China to India.
Yeah.
How do you find this new opportunity with global manufacturing shift happening?
Well, it is good for the industry. It is good for us that we have more competition. We learn more from many companies which are coming in. On the process industry side, generally we have all foreign companies already here. So, we have, company from USA, Europe, and we are, one of the biggest Indian company competing with these MNCs in India. Yeah.
So, sir, I think there is a lot more consultative approaches involved in your activity.
Yeah, we are designing a system based on the industry need. We are not off-the-shelf products what we make. We make as per the engineering requirement of the individual industry.
So for that, normally what is the cycle management system, in the sense how much time you will take normally to evolve that?
Typical delivery time from concept to commissioning takes about 8 months, 6 to 8 months. So whatever systems we supply. Some of the products are low cost, low delivery, say about 4 months. But nothing is less than 4 months because we have to procure material based on the client's requirement. The pressure rating, the material, the design is all specific to a client's need.
So having said that, I want to ask you, you said you customize products as per the client's requirement. So you take what you call, you measure your impact on the business front by accelerating the manufacturing process, and then take what you call cut from that, or by selling your solution upfront. What method you are using in what you call taking the money for charging for your service?
No, it all depends on the material, the cost of the material, the engineering cost, our design cost, which is a proprietary designs what we have. So it all depends on case to, plus we have to be competitive in the market. So we are not a monopoly product, whatever we do. Everywhere we have competition. So we have to learn to optimize our costs and give it to the client at optimal cost.
So having said that, you have already filed multiple patents, or how your R&D work is aligned with your strategy of growing?
We don't have a patented product because they are generally engineered systems. So we engineer, the materials could be different, the temperatures could be different, the process conditions could be different, but none of our products are patented. No.
Okay. So since you said about this kind of a complex temperature and materials that you are using, how you are sourcing various steel materials for your product manufacturing? The current government policy, is it helping you to reduce the product expenditure? What more you are expecting from the government to further enhance your product delivery?
We are purely believe in Make in India. So all materials we buy in India and we fabricate based on what is available in India. But we find now practically everything is available in India. We have no issues to, where we buy some analytical systems which are imported, analytical analyzers and all those things, because they are not made in India. Otherwise everything is made in India.
So are you exporting your solutions also?
We do exports.
How
We do
many
export
countries?
to Middle East countries, we export to Russia, we export to Germany, we export across the countries.
Okay.
Yeah.
So approximately how many countries you have presence?
No, we export from India. We have an office in the Middle East, but we manufacture everything at our factory in Goa.
Goa you have a factory.
Goa we have a factory. And we have one factory in Bombay, Ambernath, and there we manufacture some of the valves, but mostly the valves which we have manufactured, maybe about 70 to 80 countries we have exported our valves for the steam services.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So majority of your manufacturing is happening in Goa only.
In Goa, yeah.
So how is your engagement with the academia to what you call in skilling initiative, because there is a lot of skilling initiative happening in India. So how you are gelling with the government's priority?
See, sometimes we get some team of engineers for training at our factory, either from IIT or from engineering colleges.
Okay, sir.
And we do entertain them for training, skilling them.
Oh, very good.
And that happens, on and off it happens.
And what was the last financial year's revenue for the company, and how much growth you are expecting this financial year or down the line 5 year?
Last year we did about 200 crores.
Okay.
And generally we expect about 10% growth every year.
Definitely. Okay.
Okay.
Wish you all the best.
Thanks a lot.
We expect what you call 25% growth going forward for your company, sir.
Thanks, Vijay.
Thanks a lot,
Thanks
Mr.
a lot.
Rakesh Gupta,
Thanks a lot.
for your extemporary statement on your company's activities.
Thanks a lot.
And thanks a lot for viewing Chemtrols Director Rakesh Gupta's statement that India is going to be one of the top manufacturing destinations in India.
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.